Hey, what's up guys? It's Mike Elike here and welcome to my YouTube channel, Smart Tips. In today's video guys, I'm going to be showing the step-by-step process on how you can add Grammarly to your Microsoft Word. Yes, I'm going to show you how you can add Grammarly to your Microsoft Word. For those who write, like let's say you're a content writer, you're a copywriter, you're a blog article writer, you're a story writer, whatever writer you are, as long as you write on your Microsoft Word, you would have to check, let's say, the grammar error, the spelling, the vocabulary and everything to be sure it's all intact before probably you publish it on your blog if you're a blog writer, or probably if you're a copywriter, before you send it to your clients, or before you publish it as a book. So you need to just use a tool to check it, and this tool which you can use to check it is the Grammarly tool. And as a writer, it's going to be very easy for you if when typing you quickly check out the errors you are making and quickly edit them, that after writing then you have to go over everything again and start editing. That is more stressful. So this method I'm going to show you is going to make writing easier for you. So just watch this video to the very end as I show you the step-by-step process on how you can add Grammarly to your Microsoft Word. And for those thinking you have to get the Grammarly Premium before you can get this, before you can add it to your Microsoft Word, well, that is not the case in this video today. So just stick with me to the end, like I said. Before we continue guys, if you love this information you're about to hear, which I think you do, kindly give me a thumbs up. And also, if you're new to my channel, you're welcome. Kindly hit the subscribe button below and go click on the bell notification icon so that you get notified whenever I make new videos like this. Let's jump onto my laptop screen guys. So guys, as you can see right here, this is the Grammarly on my own Microsoft Word. This is my Microsoft Word right here, and this is it. So let's say I have 5 errors here or 5 corrections to make. Okay, it says here, and location, okay, see, accept. As you can see right here, this is turned to R, right? So now watch out for this another factor. All right, watch out for this another factor. Okay, if I accept it, as you can see, it changed to other factors. Price and location are other factors you might want to consider. Okay, so it says here I should put, okay, I shouldn't put a comma. When it comes to writing, Grammarly is actually a very nice tool. It helps you check your spelling, the grammar efficiency, your vocabulary, how concise it is, how clear the words you're writing is going to be to your audience, you understand, or how mechanical it is. So it's just there to help you as a writer, which is why you need this kind of tool by your side when writing. So as I was saying, see here, it says our list consists. I didn't put the plural s over there. And the last one, choosing the right restaurant can be really hard, especially, okay, say I should move the phrase really. I should just put it hard. Okay, so it says consist of, oh, so let me quickly show you how you can add this to your own Microsoft Word. Okay, all right, so the first thing we are going to do is to go to our browser, then go type download Grammarly. Okay, so I'm not a robot. Just let me quickly fill in this captcha. Okay, verify. All right, so as you can see here, there is Grammarly for Windows, MS Office plugin, and if you are using let's say Windows laptop, which I am using, you can just click Grammarly for Windows. But if you're using maybe a MacBook, which should be Grammarly for iOS or something else, you can quickly just check in if there is something for your own specific laptop, you understand. So I'm going to be going for Grammarly for Windows. Okay, so as you can see here, it says download Grammarly, it's free. So I'm going to click on download. Although I have already downloaded before on my laptop, I'm just going to download it to show you how it works. So as you can see, it's already installing already. It's already installing. So So I'm opening my file already. Let's see. Oh, so as you can see right here, it said Grammarly is running. Please close it first. Okay, so since I already have it, I can't actually install a new one. So I have to just delete this one. All right, this one is installed, and then quickly go and show you the main Grammarly itself that I already have. Okay. So as you can see here, where this my pointer is, this is the Grammarly I have already. So once you install your Grammarly on your laptop, this is going to be, you're going to see something like this. All right. So just open it. So as you can see right here, it's already open. But since you just installed it of recent, you'll be asked to log in. So you can just log in with your email address. If you don't have an account with them, you can sign up. Just create an account with them, sign up, then log in. So once you've logged in and you've downloaded the app already, it's going to be showing you something like this here. This Grammarly is up and running. So once I click on a new document, it's going to take me to this Grammarly site, which I can also take all my documents once I'm done typing to this Grammarly site here and check out, as you can see here, correctness, clarity, engagement, delivery. But the only thing I cannot check because I'm not using the premium version is this Grammarly, is this plagiarism. As you can see here, see it says Grammarly compares billions of web pages to your document and alerts. Go premium. And Grammarly premium is quite cost, so if you still want to go for that, good and fine. But now how to add it to your document. So as you can see here, it says, hi Jen, I hope you're well. And this is more of this is more of an icon showing you their documents. This is also the sign on my own Microsoft Word when I open it. So let's go back there. See it here, it's already here. That's because I already installed it before. So once you follow this process, you can add Grammarly to your Microsoft Word, without having to always stress yourself after typing. Then you have to re-edit everything again. So you just do this once and for all. So guys, let me show you what I mean. All right, I'm going to spell something wrongly so that you see if grammar is going to correct it. Okay, first of all, this consist, if you can see here, is actually wrong, and Grammarly is telling me that. Say if you don't want consist to be marked misspelled in future, you can add it to the dictionary. It is not in their own dictionary, so you can change it, or probably they feel it's not an English word, because most times when writing you could type in, let's say, word from a French word or probably a Spanish word. So I'm just going to correct it myself. And okay, let me see what they're correcting here again. Okay, I should add an S. Okay. All right, now let me quickly spell the word wrongly. Let's say laughed. All right, so as you can see right here, it quickly showed me that it's wrong. So let's see what it is about that. And it spelled it rightly for me. So I just click on accept. And this is how you can actually add Grammarly to your Microsoft Word when typing. So guys, I've shown you the step-by-step process on how you can add Grammarly to your Microsoft Word when typing. If you're a writer and you actually don't really like this method that you have to keep on editing one by one, you could just, when you're done typing, copy everything and take it to the Grammarly website itself, like I showed you, and paste it there and do it at once. So as you can see, Grammarly has different options for you. All right, so if you have any question, kindly leave it in the comment section below, where I go answer you ASAP. If you have any friends who are writers, you can just kindly share this video to them, because it's going to be of great help, so they won't get to double stress yourself proofreading, editing, and re-editing over and over again. So I'm going to be seeing you guys in my next video as we discover the smart online tips.